Big old road work a go on. You see me? Big road work and no man no say yo Akka forward in pan the road work no. No man no say Akka yo buy 110 cement and ray. Although they know me not gonna buy nothing still but it then could have made me know what I go on. Can shot 2 videos still. Cause me not lift up nothing.
You know about that black meat.
The man you said they don't want to get black.
Come on, man. We are mad. No boy can tell with that. Who says so? Breaking news. Corruption in the way. Turn around this way. Turn around. This is dreaded. Alright, that work. What you have to say about this work, Alex?
We not drive car, man.
Wait, I can. Me have to hold the same one.
I will carry them body now. I will carry them body now.
Yeah.
The push of the camera, promise.
They're far from you.
I will carry them body now. We can't afford to know so we have to. We live in a lane and we can't come in a lane peaceful. Police are road we don't. We can't come in a lane.
We not blood clot, bro. We are bad man, cameraman, you know.
It's a good thing, man.
Then see Dan, yeah? This is the Dan fly out. supply. He's the one say, where I got Rasta. And that's why me have to rate Tampo, you know. That's why we have to rate Tampo in our building, you know. This is the youth, every youth, daddy. What you see you want me, Dan? Akka. Get them. Am I part that? Man, then do what they might do. The youth, man.
Yeah, I'm blaming. I'm going to a rough part then. Okay. You understand me? You can pass with me and go mix with that.
Right.
Chew back up the chew Bannister. Guys, today I'm on road work, you see me? Ranger lane road work. We don't know a thing. We there we have vlog, bad cameraman, swag man. You see me, we can't there wait for government and be a look so you don't know. Unity and them thing they build. You get me? So all you need is unity.
We come together, everybody are putting in some work and thing. Dad don't like the camera thing though. Me I tell you no. Dad don't like the camera thing at all. I just said can't fight. Man like Tampo they are on the site, you see me? Tampo them a man live in a lane for more than 50 odd years, you see me as a resident. And in a 48. Which way you want? Just hold it? Huh?
Come with the water. Come with the water.
No one more cement. Not going to
See water around now. Come in, Jeddah. Alright, ease up. No, come cut him. That apart there.
So yeah, right for this one? There's a dog.
So, how is the water affecting you? You're on night time. So, water not being here. Do you consider that as a good thing?
No, me don't say that. Me never say that. Me don't say that. Me don't say that. You want corrupt.
You man for this.
No, I don't me say. Me say, how does it affect you personally? That me ask you, man.
Second question. Why second question you ask?
Me just ask her I forgot personally, man.
Two question I ask you.
Brother, you too corrupt, brother. I don't know if you ask you.
You can't be on the operation then ask.
Uncle, go, uncle. Uncle, one. How long has it been since Ranger Lane has been fixed? And who was the last person to fix Ranger Lane's road?
Yo, Tampo.
Tampo. Hold on, let me ask somebody. I would think it's been how long now them fixed? Remember me the pay for the first one?
Oh!
Me pay for the first one and somebody do the second one. So
Who was the somebody who did the second one?
Cole Campbell.
Who you pay?
Eh? No, you know say I was wait. I was in the politics. When I'm a brethren was in the politics, so I was doing it for him. So he could get the vote. But I see that when I did it and he gotten the vote, he abandoned us like the Avatar. No one can do it again. When we need him the most, he vanish. But see we are doing it, show people them.
Cole Campbell?
Cole Campbell was one of the prime minister. Me not remember where my councilor. Councilor. No, we're doing our own thing because we don't have what they call them. We don't have any councilor doing it for us right now. We are not a representative. So I'm doing it. I just wake up this morning and one spirit says, swag, buy 15 bag of cement. Buy some mall. And see, show them a mall over there. 2 truckload a mall. And see, that we just get together because one thing about Ranger Lane, we unite. When we do wanted, we are united. And I just get together everybody in a group of ceremony. And see, the Tampo didn't even know nothing about labor work. Look what Tampo do. You remember Tampo, wanted. Wanted to know nothing about labor work, but I'm doing local things. Show him in projects. Then you're trying to see what he's shoving and doing nothing. Eh?
Remember notice if you go up in a lane top and see right and missing, you can take up the dirt, it's stones you're seeing we are the bad man. Remember, you know? I never fix back from that.
The hat.
You think say a long time. Brother, about level here that then, man.
More dog.
Yes.
More dog. You're in high school, man.
So me look how long me left high school, brother.
We left school 2016.
Why? Bless up. Yeah, me ain't fan pan them. Tampo and rest take long time. I think we ain't soon.
Tampo. Where water then? You don't pay for water?
What water?
Oh, you mean? Water,
Uncle give man $1,000.
We're not walling it down. We're not walling it down. No, Tampo, nobody with the sadness. What when I enjoy me?
My girl just say I cannot recall.
Water Tampo. You uncle give $1,000 Tampo.
After 5 minutes, I cannot recall. I'm a fisherman.
Hey, what I think if we never remember?
Pipe a run. We no use tobacco water. Drink water, pipe water.
Tampo extraction.
Tampo no easy, you know.
Tampo, go sabam. Me man next
Yeah, bring him in now.
Yo,
you're not easy too.
Me can't believe it, man. Take $1,000.
Are your Tampo get his style from? You like a ride. I like I tell him to do it.
Nothing about water.
Me not know.
Water, we not
No, we are not big.
Give me a money to give me a man. Just see where you are going with. I like top general them 5.
Yes, Greg is doing a good work. We think Foxton could do it, but Greg do it better. Yeah, we are going for 2 white Brazil chicken them. We are jerk to me, I can't go for the thing. See you road guys. So Aka, what on there? So me have to point down this stuff. Oh. See you road there guys. See you road there. Every week me have to change shocks guys. Every week. And them shocks are not cheap, them expensive. See there, me buy that. Me buy the mall there. I have to make sure my team fix it, man. I can assist me. See, right up here, go with it. Right up in the alien. Aka, how you pausey? Okay. Catch that one camera. Hush with it. Hush. Let me see Richie's story. Yo, where me pause the camera? One, we are go jerk to our Brazil chicken. Them, I know. Birdie. Yes, Aka is mighty strong. Not lifting those weights every day for nothing. Watch out, what you run? Fix up your clothes, then.
Yeah, up on the block. Grinch did it so. Rum and drink. Man, them a drink rum and beer something. And man, them a walk like crazy. See, I'll jerk on there so we'll get some food. Come take a battery. One battery some extended did one. You see me? So they are work. I'll me end up did a shovel and I do beer something. Active still. So Rob there. I was up there, we are up there the vlog, you know.
Go on inside.
Yeah, later.
It's a record. It's a tape. Guys are not rape. I will the blood clot this part. My take it up, put the thing for a front camera, give me now, you change it.
It's a drama driving. Boo.
Ah, a big bad driver in a big bad driver in a building.
Man, this is a girl ain't afraid of no picture man in the camera man. No girl afraid of camera man. And skin all longer. And they're afraid of me. They don't want me see them breasts.
Get them tampo. You're doing a great job.
But Josh, how would I do it?
Better.
Just like KFC.
Tampo, a construction man for a long time, you know. Tampo, what would this world be without you guys? We would have a house in a Tampo. We would have bathroom. We have to give thanks for doing a Tampo.
Give thanks to catch me on a road, me I do.
Eh? We would have road. Look on them a part of where Tampo are fixed. You know how much tire them something in your shop? Every pass me a pass here, so me car but I'm going roops. Tampo.
One thing when me I go ride on the road, with no TV, the bicycle.
How would your bicycle, Tampo?
No people like Uno.
I know me.
You think animal TV? You think come and go?
I know me TV for two Tampo.
Yo, you can't mix it. You can't mix.
Yo,
Hey!
Take a man with the brother.
watch out now. I say, man, them when I get no youth.
I buy 3 new brand barrel. 3 new brand second. Kate Campbell.
You can't tell me nothing. We are better off a prison, America right now, more than that Jamaica. That me I tell you.
Some big black thick batty man.
You don't mix that with bad man.
They hold you batty as the Tampo.
You don't mix that with bad man.
You start Lego or you lock. Hey, Tampo that start. When they do the Tampo, we start Lego, you lock and flash you so. We like a Tampo shot.
Kirk, how are you? You alright? You alright?
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Alright, soccer, a video. A batty man, that man.
Big up UTR promotion in our building, you know. UTR. What you have to say to the people, them? We not blur out. You want blood clotted? You want it? What you have to say to people then? Alright. Stop now. Yo. Hey, now you know it's your boy Darkness. Yo, give it. Yo. Wow. Wait now.
I want to say, I too cowardice man. Fire
Chef, everything alright? Everything alright today, cool soup, chef? Ras, who that? Oh, you know what, tap man? You know what? Guys are not rape. Yo, wait. Tap man. What you have to say? But the whole working environment. Wait the tap man, wait there. How they work this man? Alright. Yeah, what you have to say about the world? What you see a go on? What you have to say about what you see a go on?
I think you shouldn't have a cup of yarn yet. You don't do nothing on your drink.
What you mean by me not do nothing? You see tap man, you always a fight against me.
You don't do nothing on your drink.
Me not get no more interview. Tap. Chef, everything good?
Cool there. Go fit cool now.
Me don't know where cool there.
Go fit now and you're a proprietor.
Me don't know where there.
Boy, you're a proprietor, you even know where there.
Tampo, where cool there? Man want to cool.
I like it that make publicity man this up. The man decides to make fucking lane.
Yeah, pretty boy.
Man, go on good man. Yo, easy like a man.
Stop, no man.
You're there for a man and no, you're not dirty. Look on
Me dirty eye, look there.
poor man.
Me dirty eye.
You're chatting, you come up man. That's a your man.
Yeah, me love chat.
Oh, no, so one little bar here, so what am I doing?
When you put that one in your sofa, you come like a cancer fuse.
Mix concrete.
That's insane. Who says so?
Yo,
Stop in concrete. Concrete have it this up and this up. You just see a matter we use in them place.
Masaga, turn on the pipe.
I can bring in up mama. Go Waka. Kirk, you see if me ain't drink, me lick in your face, Kirk. Let me tell you that, big boy. You see if me ain't drink, me lick in your little face here.
you want me to tell him how?
Tell them everything. Tell them what's going on from there.
Struggle to give me phone and tell me call the council a while ago. Say yo, them they have a little thing a go on and the money where him spend for fix the road lead so far, but you know we could have get a donation. So him say yo, call him boss, cause the boss have some money for him put down.
Yeah.
So I go stop and call the boss now and the boss say me know say yo, 5 more cement to drop in our place because I swag.
You're not fuck steady. Right now you can't even turn up right.
Me make love.
You make this one right. Yo. Yeah, you wait a long time.
One time.
One time. Zala, you not fuck either, you know. Yo, move it now. You not fuck either, Jala.
You need to have
Boy.
like a pussy and a fuck 1 tree, Jala.
Yeah, Jala to me now. Swagger me a bright boy, you know. Jala don't start back. Now you used to go Jala.
Pussy you need to fuck 1 tree, Jala. You can't talk to me.
Jala, you ever fuck 3 girls
one day?
You ever fuck 3 girls? You?
Yo, cut
what?
You know about girl.
Cut what?
Jingle the room and tap in it.
Pinty with it now.
Girl man got wrestling you and go pick up money. You do that?
What?
Girl man got wrestling you and go pick up money. You do that?
You never do that.
You're not even start drinking that you're not right to yourself.
You see now? You see you now, youth?
I'm coming on the umbrella.
See me girl's friend there? You? Big pussy hole.
Then you could be a grandfather,
So
you know.
There one
Even if you need a
I want
like you.
I want fuck Stenny get and get you. Stenny! Right now. Stenny. Alex are younger Stenny. Tell him say you're younger Stenny.
I know that about that.
Nah fuck.
You idiot boy, don't say that.
That younger Stenny. Nah fuck.
How much you have in your mind?
I want you to stand here and stand here.
How much you have in a year, man?
My love. You see, you know, yeah, corruption.
Yo, what on? One youth a buck up, you know.
You tap fucking. You're not getting no more. You're not getting no more. No.
I couldn't even hear you. One youth a buck up. Frightened come, sweet water. One you. Yes, what is the one youth a buck up? Buck up and look sweet water.
Rum! Are you that?
Buck up. Are
you that?
I'm back here making drop on the case, cause that's all.
Yeah, go on the DJ. Hey, to this man I want you to mount a jacket then cut give him to Rascal. Yo, hey, Kirk, this man I get jacket out in the jacket and squeeze him so you want to see him with the blood. You?
Can't entertain you.
Rasta can't
entertain you. Brother, see me? I run out.
No man, we are behind the scene, my dog.
No, you have to remember good.
You know me, I go give you one celebrity footage. And if a big top celebrity like UTR boss the year help we mix concrete and do the right for society. See there, I want to know the gravity dog give me. One know that gravity youth when UTR boss give me. See there? I never cap man. Never cap. UTR boss. I just want you to know so we appreciate you. We appreciate what you do for society. We appreciate all of the guns them where you buy for the young youths them. If you take a look on the left right here, you can see the orangutan monkey. Full. Yeah, corruption, Jala.
Can't talk for nobody.
Jala, yeah, corruption.
Just like how I can't talk good about PNP. PNP never do nothing good for me, so I can't talk about.
So, JLP do good for you?
Don't worry about that.
And that more I know.
All good in do for bomb buckle at you. You pay for subject when you go to school.
Me not do none. After me not get none.
How do you feel make you not get none?
Then what me do?
Then pay feed for you.
Who pay for?
What you mean then pay? Man, stop chat fucker I mean.
Aye. I lie. So wait, you don't pay for subject? You pay for you're not done high school. You're not done high school. You're done. You're done like bad training.
That's the fuckery I mean.
Come on.
Curry go to White Rice at headquarters when they done.
Camera. What? Me camera the pan Kirk and you still a cut? You're not in the camera. And you're not in the camera. And that me I tell you. Me just come start recording thing. Oh, you corrupt so you. Jesus Christ, man. Kirk. But you're not in the camera. Me come here come start record Kirk and this one. No corruption that. You see in a life, drink water.
You promote that. I have feel the blood clot and the labor right now.
Cuss them, run them, Kirk. PMP, all we have voted for this year. I call you love skinny. Appreciate you follow and vote, appreciate. Appreciate you follow. Where you say appreciate?
But we're not reason with us one.
You follow and vote.
Follow and vote.
That you do.
If you like a one time I vote, a first ever one time ever vote, you know.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Sir? I follow and vote. Look by your ribs. From your in a labor right. Look at his knee bow.
My mother
From labor right in a politics.
My mother there.
Why you follow up them a labor right?
Yeah, and that's why your man got so. You pressure. You can't get away. Look at your knee bones.
That's why you can't get no you.
Look them move.
And that's why you can't get no
lift up your shirt, make we see your ribs. Show him and you will watch there. We are sit show you. We are sit.
Who's going in a general? Bruce a general, would have voted for Bruce if I him there.
I'm not going to tell us that PNP never do nothing when I'm not grateful for. I'm not going to tell her that.
You see, I did that. If you have to Angie, what are we there?
Me no feel it. Me no feel it.
You don't feel it. Another.
Me no feel it.
Me say you don't feel it. You have to feel it. You wait.
You feel it, man.
What's the price of chicken? Just look on that. Common chicken.
I break. Gozo boss right here. Gozo. The blood clot there, Gozo. We are promoting things. Gozo boss right here. Protection. Y'all need a protection link, Gozo. Me not talk about no labor right. You need a protection link, Gozo. Load up a ring them right here. You get what me I say? How you turn up this man? See it there? I know we gravel. That they work this one day. Watch him like him. Top card or what? Top card or what, Redhead? Go mix the cement. Redhead, clean boy, you know. Clean boy for a long time, you know. I'm a clean friend there, you know. Give me, where you have to set to your camera? Me clean dog. You know them brand there? Wait there, how you put it on this? You know them blood clot brand there? You know that? Uncle blood clot, you see in both 3 days, so yeah. The blood clot, that's you know how long I not see them. Right now, this can go in a blood clot museum right now. More English. What?
You're not that fucker, you know.
A fuck yeah. Sorry, like.
You're not that foolish.
Fuck. Love me now. You know, see me a black. You think you know I miss my riches? No, watch it out.
Good thing, man.
Expensive, Jesus Christ. Expensive.
1.5.
Give me one back. We want cement! We want cement! We want cement! Link up with Prime Minister. We want cement to fix the road. So me do what me can do. You see what me do what me can do? Me buy 20 bags of cement. And me buy 1 truckload of mall and 1 truckload of gravel. We do what we can do. The cement done now. We want cement! How who responsible? You want me councillor? You want me councillor? Where name? Samuda, link tag Samuda. We want cement.
You must say it too. Quinty just did say it.
Why? Quinty, hold this. What is Quinty? Tell them something do what we can do, Quinty. We do what we can do as a young youth in our place. So we do what we can do there. We do what we can do. Show them what we do. As a young youth in our place. Right now, I'm going to run to council. People of Bannister district, hold over St. Catherine, I'm going to run for councillor. Look out for me. Alright?
Okay. You see that they are active, man. So the bad discuss it. See?
Watch me. Give me some iron. Give me some iron. Jala.
The president.
One more there. Turn it.
Junkie over there, son. Go video.
What is there?
Sunday man, you put me down a ground. Work all week. Sunday you fuck me up. Love you. Hey boy.
Yeah, me know I'm supposed to be a big man. You have to remind me about that.
Me know say you're a big man. You don't have to go to nobody and say me say you're a big man.
No, you're not about that.
A style thing now.
You're a big man, I just say it. You're a big man, I just say it big.
Tell me a little boy, tell me. Through the inner arm, you know.
Top man, I hear top
say them.
Alright. I hear about me, so me have to say them. Me I tell him say alright. Listen what me I say now. One recruit to run. Alright, me can bring you in if you're not fast it. One recruit to run bad man. And them a look 500 bomb-buckler soldier. See? 2 million man turn up for the bomb-buckler test. Don't them go send up some man for that.
500, say 1,000 turn up. You don't have to go 2 million.
Alright, so 1,000 turn up. Alright, alright. Listen what me I say. 2,000 turn up. And out of 2,000. 1,800 qualify or even over blood clot qualify. Don't you think I'm going to send some man out there for nothing at all? Alright. So they fuck me. What the fuck me right there?
You want if they want 500 and 1,000 turn up and them get at them, it's 1,000 of them qualify. 1,000 of them qualify now. But you see, who get the ice mark? And them
Just like corruption. Get them, Rob.
Get them.
Get them.
Motherfuckers. Jed, politics are much of a work, you know, Jed. I tell them, I be a politics, them man I'm not about. You mean better than...
Get them better than. Better you couldn't walk with the go up still.
Get them.
Get them, Red Dad. Red Dad. Red Dad. Red Dad. Get them. The Brazil chicken, they are active. A Brazil chicken, you know?
Yeah, so I want to get the drum for you. Get a well man put some foot on you.
You feel bad? Temple, what you say?
Only pop. You know our red label.
Eh.
I say more like a white. And guess what?
Yeah, man.
You man say nah, but that's
You're doomed, Temple, so what are you doing right now? You're back with John.
nah, man. You are one option.
What's that?
I know what I'm traveling.
You can't blur it. You blur it out. You see, these, me understand saying know about the new technology these days, but you can blur out who you don't want in there.
Yeah, but you have to stroke your jerk your one.
I've said I will.
Come on, you know. By the boss?
Yeah, man.
My boss are coming.
Waul say.
Wait.
I envy where I make you run, final.
Yo, so what's going on, Swag? What just happened?
So I call the general just now and tell him say, yo, we run out of cement. And you know who the general is? The one and only Dr. Waul. And the dog say, all right, Swag. No send nothing more. I'm gonna send 10 bags of cement to your location right now. And it's on the way. Alright? Alright. I just wanna say thank you to Dr. Waul. Thank you. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, that Haka? See it there? We are go for cement now. Where Mr. Waul send come support we. See it there?
Watch your style, watch your style, watch your style. Watch your style. You know, mix. Yo, respect, big up Dr. Waul, you know.
Yeah, man. Big up who?
Yo.
Big up the driver.
No, sir, those are this.
Respect your driver.
Yeah, man.
I wish I know, last time I see how me blow behind us. I wish I know.
Hold on, hey, Quinty, I don't know the film.
But I with the bomb, but I me down, brother. No, wait, no. I told you to drop up. Quinty, how much? I saw me say how much, Quinty? Put it in the pocket, my general. Hold on. Quinty, how much? How much? Not tell him say I too. How much, Quinty? Quinty, how much money? If you can't go and go drink him, general, I'm not film. Quinty.
So the man a program, the man say, alright, and the man disappear for me to blood clot.
Yeah, video.
Friend, I don't know, stand so we grow boy.
Just like chicken ready? Just like me taste it like that.
Eh?
Me and him can share one piece.
I'm going to share a piece for me the whole of it.
Are we there, sir? Remember?
Are we? I'm going to share the whole of it, so we can share it breast.
It's a bun, Jala.
Yeah, man, it's a bun, man.
That's alright.
Some more if I can't, yes, I would want to draw
Don't
down
call
still.
my name like that.
Wrong by the park.
No, Jala, my aunt can't join us. So, please drop in that fire. Take out.
Right.
Jala, just give me the piece to the man.
This?
Yeah.
You know how long me had the panic? So you don't want to know my breast there.
What you mean?
Could never. Why is that? Yeah, rushy thing. You don't want to know.
Say chicken and then no, Jala.
Yeah, Mira, where you gonna get that?
Bad man, no one good on no raw chicken and a bad man. I hear no man say me jerk and me
Give me some more, yeah, man.
Me and your friend, no, me and your no. Are you me attack first? Me orange juice. Me say I'm me and your, no me have. No me and your, no me orange juice.
So really, I believe them over me.
Yo, yeah.
Swagger, post this thing we eat to come, raw conk. I eat a full of blood.
What that? You smoke?
No matter what raw business you got, it's the closest thing to me eat to raw business I come.
So give me this one.
Give me that part, you know.
Hey, you love bone?
Yeah, give me that part, you know.
Bone and pussy them.
I saw jerk chicken did easy to jerk. They turn you on 2 times and already.
Where's the best call?
What call you?
Yeah, just call you right now.
4 ready.
Yo, me tell you this, man, we fuck you little boy. Yo,
Never.
yo.
I only have one day.
Batman style, yeah, me know that. The way first you tell you nowhere from me, get up. Go this help man, them brother. I have care. Move.
I 3 dogs there from where.
Move first, brother. Stop, boy. You're going to...
For 2, you know.
Yo, mate, come on, only get.
Low the bar, man. I'm correct some party, man. You're trying to play some
Everything ready right now before it driver.
Give me one piece, sir.
Everybody want to get them piece.
Check it ready!
Give me one. Appreciate you, Sherry.
No, appreciate. Not even come on, lock your pan, man.
No, I dry. I don't want to dry out. I breast juicy everything right now.
Lock your pan.
This state I go dry out.
Lock your pan.
Ready.
Lock your pan.
When the breast ready,
I'm not required hungry belly, you know. I'm not required no blood clot.
Give me one out. You can't tell
I'm not required hungry belly, you know.
Where was it?
Well juicy and ready. Yeah, man. Well juicy and ready.
Aka, come Aka! I take Bianca, I can give me now.
A beer I don't eat a go on. Beer I don't eat. Beer I don't eat a go on. That you understand now, you know. Yeah man, you see that, because I know you don't feed nothing you know, more than yourself. You know.
I tell them if you want to feel.
No, I don't eat. So you have energy now?
That boy can't take me from there. They ask me if my name from Anion. That's why I get up and come do work.
But then give juice to drink.
They tell them I'm thirsty.
So you tell them they're hungry? They're not ready to then.
Axe gozo.
No boy, gozo down. No boy. I'm to correct them just start fucking a gozo. I hope you're in blood clot if you're not here no gozo. Fresh me dog, take in the dog no man. Catch the dog, take in the dog crying to bumbo clot, take in the dog clocks, take in the dog jeans on your straight, take in the dog shirt. And your blood clot. Them got them swag there. Batman Kirk got them swag there. Then take in Gozo Queen. Get Gozo Queen in here. Wait, Gozo wifey. No man. Kirk them back to steady and numb. Two of them in now fuck.
What's matter of you?
Boy, them nah fuck. You have to group them.
Kirk, get 2 here. What the fuck?
Yeah, Waul.
Brother, you alright now. Brother, you now get...
This say yeah, Waul.
Brother, you're addict already now.
This say yeah, Waul. It's just a question I ask you. How old are you? Hello, Swagger. How old? Swagger, how old are you?
26.
It's how when I reach 40, you can't fuck him out of pussy to fuck on that 26 years.
Brother, right now, I got more...
How many using top cock?
I got more...
You can't.
How many using top cock?
26-year-old.
No man, woman again.
I'm going to camera and talk. Swagger. I'm going to camera and talk. It's when me a 26-year-old. You no fucking half amount of girl when me fuck. Up to this day.
You really argue with the man you take back as well, guy.
You're not fucking him.
I mean, I'm in focus now.
Yeah, you gotta start.
Put your pan there one day. Nah, fuck over there.
Take care of him, Marcus.
But you know man said that? Girl give him backers. The man they better girl give him backers, brother. What kind of argument the man they start? Remember say me not touch him up. I'm a celebrity, not like that.
We are celebrity. Me I gotta ask him. So when me I saying backers are when you turn up, so. Backers I position when you turn up, so. Cause backers are care when the girl bend over, so you know. Cause you see if I when the girl bend over, so I girl give you backers. I like me tell me if me wrong. If backers are when the girl bend over, so I girl give you backers.
You can't ask me, remember me now.
I like me tell.
Cause you left right down the side that chatting and come up with it.
I wouldn't like that, cause you can't shut me up.
What's right there?
And that's why I don't like that, you know, me and spray holes too.
No, man, you can't tell me that. Bro, I'm just water. More, man, just wash up here, no?